Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, guys, the movie video, the actual official video of Thaniye Medical from Guppy movie is here. And this is the video that I had actually bookmarked for my reaction. And yesterday when I sat for it, this was privated. And now suddenly today I'm finding out that this has been made public. So I thought before it just gets taken down again for some or the other reason, let me just react to it because a lot of you wanted me to watch the original video. So yeah, here I am reacting to the video because essentially I've reacted to the song already. So I know the song, I can enjoy the song now with the added visuals from the movie. So I was planning another music video reaction which I will do and I will post it as a separate video, but I definitely want to look into this song because I've fallen in love with the song. I have absolutely fallen in love with the song. So yes, let's react to the the video of Thaniye Medical, and there is another music video reaction that I'll post separately, and my color review will be out tomorrow. So yes, let's get into it, guys. All right, superbly excited. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that finally we have the video out. All right, let us begin.
തനിയേ മിഴികൾ തുളുമ്പിയോ വെറുതെ മൊഴികൾ വിതുമ്പിയോ മഞ്ഞേറും വിണ്ണോരം മഴമായും പോലെ കുഞ്ഞോമൽ കണ്ണോരം കണ്ണീരും മായേണം നെഞ്ചോരം പൊന്നോളം ചേലേറും കനവുകളും ഒരു പിടി കാവലായി വഴി തേടണം ഒരു മാറിവിൽ ചിറകേറണം ആശതൻ തേരിതിൽ പറന്നു വാനിൽ നീ ഉയരണം
ഇതാണ് എൻ്റെ വാട്സപ്പ് നമ്പർ.
He gave the WhatsApp number for some reason.
പതുക്കെ മതി, പതുക്കെ. ആ ഊമ നേഴ്സ് എന്ത് മിടിക്കുകയല്ലേ.
കൊള്ളാം, പക്ഷെ ഫുൾ ടൈം ഫേസ്ബുക്കിലാണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു.
You guys told me it's a feel-good film and I must watch it.
അകതാരിലി ചെറുതേങ്ങൽ മാഞ്ഞിടും തിരിനീട്ടുമീ കുളിരോർമകൾ തിരികെ വരും.
This boy has a very important role to play. Yes.
ഇരവാകവേ പകലാകവേ കവിളത്തു നിന്റെ ചിരി കാത്തിടാനിതുവഴി ഞാൻ തുണയായി വരാമിനി എന്നുമേ ഉടനീർത്തിടാം തണലേകിടാം ഒരു നല്ല നേരം വരവേ.
Wow, look at this beautiful shot.
കണ്ണോരം കണ്ണീരും മായേണം നെഞ്ചോരം പൊന്നോണം
Interesting.
ചേലേറും കനവുകളും ഒരു പിടി കാവലായി വഴി തേടണം ഒരു മാറിവിൽ ചിറകേറണം ആശതൻ തേരിൽ പറന്നു വാനിൽ നീ ഉയരണം
That looks like a transformer.
ിലെ മുറിവാരണം ഇരു കണ്ണിലും മിഴിവേറണം നന്മകൾ
Who's the photographer?
പൂക്കുമീ പുലരി തേടി നീ
Ooh, wow. Oh, beautiful. Couple of shots were absolutely stunning. Yes! Finally, yes. I absolutely wanted to react to the original movie video. Basically, looks like you guys told me already that I read the comments that it's a very feel good film, and this song, the lyrics of the song are pretty motivating. That's what I read in the comments, that the lyrics are beautiful and it sort of motivates you. And looking at the visual, it seems like, because yesterday in my reaction I said the lyrics, of course it sounds like a very beautiful drive song, but it also feels like with the music and melody that maybe somebody is having an epiphany, which from the visuals also I'm getting the feeling that it's more of self-reflecting. All these people who are involved, they're sort of self-reflecting and thinking about something and then are having an epiphany and sort of getting motivated. So wow. And I don't know, I feel all these people in the visuals, they don't know each other, and somehow because of certain events their paths cross. And it being a feel-good film, I'm really, really interested to know how the movie, pans out. Though I definitely, want to watch a couple of feel-good films, because it's been like I have been watching heavy movies one after another. I mean, even Kala, oh man. Oh, that movie is something else. But of course, you'll know my thoughts when I share my review tomorrow. But yeah, oh, Tovino, man, Tovino and rest of the cast. Oh, man. All right, yes. So those thoughts would be shared tomorrow. But for this particular song, I love the song already. I've almost memorized the tune. But yes, I am definitely going to learn this one. The visuals look great. I'm so happy that they have unprivated, they've made the video public. I don't know for what reason. Yesterday मेरा मतलब luck खराब था कि क्या मैं बोलूँ, but I don't know why this video was not available yesterday. So I'm glad it is today, because morning when I was looking at my bookmark, I suddenly realized, oh my god, this is again public, so I have to react to this. So yeah, that was my reaction for Taniye Medical movie video song. So yes, and I loved it. Thank you so much again for suggesting this song to me. It has been suggested for quite some time now, and the delay was from my end, so I'm really sorry. But yes, I do have a list of things that I have to react to and review, and so many OTT releases are happening, so I watch so many things. So yeah, it's like a yeah. So yes, that was it from me, guys, today. Again, listening to this song, it made me so happy. It's already put me in such a great mood. So I'll sign off now from this video, and I'll see you on another reaction in my next video. Bye bye.